So I'm working on my characters still. This one I saved to work on with you because I want to talk about, like, this is going to be the Mad Hatter. So I'm going to put a hat on his head. Fortunately, you guys know how to draw cylinders and things, so that would really help with his hat. What I want to do is a curved line that would look like the brim of his hat, but then I'm going to make it seem like it goes behind that oval shape that I drew for his head. Then I have a line coming off of that, going up this way, and then when I curve it across, it seems like it's actually a form that's going around the Mad Hatter's hat. So I've got him waving his arms around like he's acting kind of silly and everything. And now I'm going to draw on some of his hair that would be sticking out from under the hat. Some ears. Then he looks really excited to be at the tea party, so I'm going to try to make him look kind of happy. And I guess he's giving some sort of speech, so I'm going to make it so his mouth is actually open. Now to set the table. Knowing how to draw a cylinder again should help with that. If there's plates on the table, drawing the top of the cylinder, that squished oval shape, that would look like there's actually a plate on the table. Maybe it's a fancy plate, there's little designs on it or something that you draw around the edges, but you have to make them look like they actually go around. Keep in mind this is a painting, so you don't want to do things that are too tiny detailed. So now, we said before, this is a tea party, so there must be a teapot. So I'm going to decide what shape I want it to be. So maybe it's going to be sort of a big round teapot. So I'm going to sketch out the round shape. But then I need to add a spout to it. Then I need to add a handle to it. I can get as fancy as I want with that handle. And a lid. Maybe there's a design that goes around the teapot. Now that I have it the way I want, I'm going to show these lines being darker. Now if it were round on the bottom like this, it would just roll over. So I'm also going to put a little foot on it so it can actually stand up and not tip over. Now if there's a teapot, there's going to have to be some teacups. So again, knowing how to draw a cylinder really helps with this. So I'm going to continue setting my table, and you're going to continue setting yours, and then we'll look into adding color to our painting.